So, day 2, we're back at Custom Cages, and yesterday I did something a little bit cheeky, and essentially I asked Jack and Tom, who you've not met yet, in the rear of the 36, when you take out the rear seats, you've got a massive gaping hole into the boot. I wanted to cover that up, and I hadn't really thought of anything. But I asked Jack, I was like, do you think we could make something to cover that hole up? He said, well, we can, but we need to figure it out now, because the rear cage will go through it. I was like, okay, well, you know, if that's okay, can you do that? What he's created is literally something I think they should manufacture and sell to E36 owners, because it's stunning. This isn't a piece of metal that he's found and put in and it's worked. He's hand cut it, hand measured it, hand shaped it, drilled all the holes, riveted it in 3 places so it stays, and now we're going to build the rear cage through that to finish it off. Honestly, it's more than I wanted and could have hoped for. It's incredible. So this is a bit trickier than it looks. Essentially, because of where the bars go, the holes that Jack's got to drill have got to be on an angle. So he's measured up, but he's now going to have to cut the holes at an angle in a flat bit of sheet metal. You've got this. I believe in you. Hold there, yeah? Yeah.
Just hold it there still. You go round to the side.
Are we in?
Yeah.
Is it good?
Hold it.
Mate, it's fine, it's there.
I've got to tuck it in case it falls, mate.
Alright, you do that. How good does that look? Oh my god. You smashed it. So I don't want to show too much now, because the cage sort of is like coming together slowly, and I want to have a fairly big like dramatic before and after. So I'll show you from the front just subtly what Jack's done, including like the boot close section, but it's going to be so good. And I've just looked right at a weld, all I can see is blue. Welcome back. We're now back at the washroom. Steve from Custom Cages is dropping the E36 back off to the unit. This is the first time I've seen the car since I left it, which was about a week ago. The cage is now fully complete, fully welded in. Oh my god, it looks... My microphone's fallen off again. Every time. I don't understand why. Please hold. So we're gonna unload the car quickly, stick it in front of the unit, and then I'll give you a little walk around. I cannot quite believe that this is my car. I've never had a car with a roll cage before. I know that sounds really stupid, but a lot of people won't have, so it feels bizarre that mine does. And a roll cage that is just so overkill for what the car will actually be used for. It is absolutely astonishing. full door bars, fully welded in strut towers at the front and the rear, and of course in the last clip or last bit you'll have seen, I don't know when this is going to go in the video, but the last bit you'll have seen, Jack had made a cover plate for that rear boot opening. So all the workmanship that's gone into creating it to go through the back of the car and then into the rear turrets, it's absolutely phenomenal, and it is perfect in every way in terms of symmetricality and like just, I don't know if that's a real word, but we're going to go with it. It is perfect. It's beautiful. Thank you, Custom Cages. This is one of the coolest modifications I think I've ever had to do or ever had done to a car. So epic. If you're looking for a roll cage, look no further. They are literally the best in the business. They've been going for years and years and years. They know exactly what they're doing, and when it comes to workmanship, then they've got some of the best people in the business. So thank you, Custom Cages. A big thank you to Jack as well for welding it all up for me, and all the guys that had a hand in the car. So without further ado, let's crack on and build this car. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and yeah, we'll see you in the next episode of The Washroom. Peace.